The communication process is complex, forming a cycle known as the speech cycle, which can be divided into a number of stages. Let's imagine that I'm talking to Anna. The first stage is that I want to share an idea with Anna. This may be the result of an impulse or thought on my part, or a response to an external stimulus. The second stage is to choose a method of communication. For example, I may decide to write, use signs, body language, facial expression, or speech. If I decide to speak, the third stage is for me to decide what language to use and how to use it, depending on the person to whom I'm speaking. For example, the appropriate vocabulary will depend on the age and background of the person I'm talking to. The fourth stage is when I speak. My vocal cords are activated and my voice is carried as sound waves through the environment to Anna's ear. The fifth stage is when Anna's outer ear funnels the sound waves, which are transmitted as vibrations through the middle ear to the inner ear, where the hair cells are stimulated. The sixth stage is when Anna's inner ear sends the message to her brain, which also uses other available clues, such as knowledge of the topic and visual clues, to help decode and interpret the message. Decoding is a complex process in which the brain tries to match familiar patterns with those coming in. So, we have now completed half the speech cycle. If Anna decides to reply to me, the 6 stages are repeated. So, we have completed the whole speech cycle. But what might go wrong if Anna is deaf? We go through the cycle as before. First, I decide to share an idea with Anna. I have to choose how to share that idea, and I decide to speak. So I select appropriate language, my vocal cords are activated, and my voice travels as sound waves through the environment. But does enough sound reach Anna's ear? For example, am I close enough? And am I speaking loud enough? Are there other sounds masking my voice? Can the sounds be transmitted through the outer and middle ear? And are there sufficient hair cells available for stimulation in the inner ear? Does Anna's brain receive enough information to decode and interpret the message? Is Anna able to formulate a reply in order to complete the speech cycle? Anna and I need to work together to find alternative ways to complete the cycle. Anna may be helped by clearer speech, by using visual clues such as lip reading, gestures and signs, or by writing things down. Hearing aids can help some people. We will be looking at these in part 2 of the program.